so sorry. I failed you. You tried. You tried to live, but I neglected you. I starved you. I promised you that I would love you and care for you. And I failed you. I failed all of you. And I'm sorry. I'm gonna replace you. I have to. I can't keep looking at you every day. The reminder of the colossal failure I am. Everything I touch dies. I told you when I brought you home that I was gonna plant you in the yard on January 1st. And then I set you in this windowsill and I never watered you again. I'm sorry. I told you would be my Christmas tree next year. It's not even December. You're dead. You're gone. I'm sorry. I will not forget you. I will not forget any of you. Each and every one of you is special to me. And while I may replace you, I will never forget you and what I did to you. And hopefully I will learn from this. Hopefully I will learn to take care of a plant and not kill it. I will miss you, Orlando Bloom. Goodbye, Morgan Freeman. You tried so hard. I failed you, Audrey. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This hurts me more than it's hurting you at this point. I think I'll miss you most of all. I have your blood on my hands. You were special to me, Shelley Osborne. The cycle has to stop. You weren't even mine. You were my roommates. They kept you alive for 6 years and then moved out, and I let you die. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You did not deserve this. I will do better. I will. I promise you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing some planting, getting some cute little succulents and houseplants to make a really pretty window display above my sink. First thing you need is just a bunch of empty planters. So here we go. Here's what I have. I think I have a few more in the house somewhere. Get all your empty planters, head to the store where we're gonna pick out some new little friends, and then we'll pot these guys and get them in the window. Next time you see me, I will be house plant hunting. Alrighty, so we have arrived at Lowe's today. We're gonna go in so that I can peruse all the beautiful little plant babies and adopt some to bring home and love forever, because nothing I touch dies and everything will live forever, and that's how the world is. So let's go adopt some plant babies. It's precious. This is so cute. I love it. How much is it? $94 in adoption fees later. Look at my beautiful children. Hey everyone, so now we are back at the house. We got all our plants unloaded from the car. It looks like everyone seemed to have gotten through the journey safe and sound, not a scratch on them. So we are in good shape and ready to go, and let's plant these plants. So I faced a little bit of a challenge while replanting these guys. A lot of them had such intense roots growing that when I removed them from their original pots, they just wouldn't easily fit into the new pots. At first, I was just trying to shove them in and force them to fit, but then I realized that was probably going to damage them and they were sticking too far out of the pots, and that was ruining the aesthetic for me. So what I ended up realizing was that if I removed some of the roots and loosened up the dirt that was around them before replanting them, they would fit a lot better into the new planters, and they tended to look a lot better as well. In the end, I was able to successfully get everyone rehomed and arranged to my liking with minimal damage inflicted, and I'm very pleased with the results. All right, one large Diet Coke later, and all these babies are planted in their new beautiful homes. Da, 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 da. So now I just need to move everything indoors, get them in the windowsill, and we're done. So everybody has been housed home. I am extremely happy with the results. They just look so cute. It's precious. It's beautiful. I am confident that they will live forever. I'm gonna be the best plant mom that has ever plant mommed. I wanna mom the fuck out of these plants. You know, they're already gonna have the sunlight. I'm gonna be watering them, singing to them. I think that they're gonna be living their best plant lives. So thank you for following me through this journey. If you could please like this video for me personally as a favor, since we're friends. Oh, you know what? I actually have a request. Can you please tell me what to name my plants? I usually put a lot of time and effort into my plant names, so please give me quality plant name suggestions, just anything that you think that, any good names you have for my plants. And then if you can subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. Thank you. See you next time. Now, which one of you wants to come home with me? You have a cute little flower over here. What's that? What's that little flower doing?